Okay, this is the presentation, the video presentation for socio-linguistic courses in uh, the University of Bangalore. And the topic for this presentation is focus on uh, presenting of the research article regarding to the socio-linguistic perspective. And the topic of the presentation of the article is about the using of casual style in EFL for young learners and socio-linguistic perspectives. So this is the title of the research article that I have to review and summarize the information from the article and put in this presentation. For the content of the presentation, I review a few information about the abstracts and also summarize information in the introduction part, also methodology of the study and the results of the study, and then the conclusion of the study. And last one is the reference of the study. And next, let's move to the abstract of the research article. This research article is written by Indonesian author, and he focused on a young learner, and here five main important points from the abstract. I just uh, uh, quote the information, summarize the information from the abstract. They put that young learner consists of low reinforcement of speaking to others. So they have a little, motivation in reinforcement of speaking English language with other classmates in the classroom. And also cultural context of speaking it's easy to use casual style. So in applying casual style, uh, they have to focus on the cultural context as well. So in some context, it is not easy to apply casual style in just like in the formal classroom or in the other context that require using formal language. So we cannot apply casual style. But in here, they just mentioned that we have to focus on cultural context to apply casual style. And last one, we need to adjust, uh, culture based on using casual style of speakers. So, for example, teachers apply the formal style in speaking, but most of the students use casual style, so they can adjust the culture of the teacher of speaking, the style of speaking of the teacher. And students use alternances, cause of familiarity. Okay, alternance is used based on the familiarity. Students feel familiar with the alternance, and they can use it. And then increasing of motivation and students also provide positive effect for both learning and teaching. This they claim the important point of motivation, of improving motivation of students, and they can be resulted on positive effect both teaching and learning. And this is information in the abstract, and then uh, it's not easy to find the research objective in this written style of the research article, but you can see some, information in the methodology, and you can quote this as the research objective. And the objective is that the researcher wanted to discover the way that young learners use casual style in the classroom. And they also need to find out how often teacher apply casual style, and also what type of utterance utilized in both teacher and young learners in the classroom. So 3 important objectives in the research article. And then we move to the important point in the introduction. So introduction play important role in writing background information of the study and also some information regarding to literature review as well. You can see in the introduction also. And in introduction part, they show the influence factor on language production, just like dialect, language variation, register, and language style. So among those, style is important that researcher want to address, and a regional variation and also social variation. In his citation on Hornberger, 1996, regional variation focus on geographical aspects, and also social variation focus on social classification. And another information about style, definition from Liamas, Malini, and Stockwell, 2007. Style refers to a language speaker, the words to others. Okay, so the way that um, uh, the language is used in communication and speaking. And just 1961, he introduced 5 types of language style. So we can see frozen style, formal style, consultative style, casual style, and intimate style. And among these 5 styles, researchers use casual style as the main focus in the study. Okay, and if we go to the methodology of the study, you can see that teachers use in investigation on 3 teachers who teach young learners in different school, different school, in order to discover the way that they use casual style in the classroom. And then researchers use both questionnaires and interview. That interview data also analyzed to find out how often teacher apply casual style, and also what type of utterance that teachers use in that use both from both teachers and young learner in the classroom. Okay, so this is the methodology of the study, and you can see the 5 important results of finding generated from this study, uh, divided from A, B, C, D, and E. And in part A, they found that among 3 teachers, only 2 teachers interested in teaching young learners, right? And also important point B of the result, through consulting session, monthly, teacher know their student clearly. So all the teacher, they have prepared the consultation session for the student every month to understand the student. And then part C, students use simple language with incorrect grammar. Through the observation, they observe that, okay, their student, they try to use simple language to in the casual style in communication, and the language in the simple language is not grammatically correct. So it is the point. And D, they also find that teachers simplify the instruction to faster the comprehension. So normally instruction in the exercise or task, they have to read in formal language, but maybe it's hard for them to understand it faster. So the teacher just use a simple language to make students feel easy to understand, to catch the meaning of the instruction. Okay, this is point 3. D, and the last one, E, student understood and responded rapidly to the casual style utilizing by the teacher. Okay, between normal style and formal style, normally student feel convenience to use casual style than the formal style, and students feel they get faster understanding, and they also reply to the teacher quickly when they uh, they hear the casual style using by the teacher. Okay, so 5 important results in the study. And then in conclusion, they provide 4 important points in the conclusion. And one, the ability of students speaking is limited and cannot align with the material and method. It's just like that. So the background knowledge of the student regarding to speaking, speaking ability of English language is not aligned with the material or method that the teacher use in their teaching. So they need to apply casual style to help them learn. And also casual style can be used both inside and outside classroom. Actually, not only inside classroom. They also found that it should be used outside classroom as well to help them practice more. And then simple instruction and utterance are appropriate for them. Okay, it is a good point because of their ability in speaking, we cannot apply the formal style in communication with them. So the simple instruction, teacher just apply in simple instruction, simple language use in communication. So it is appropriate for them to learn. And then we need to think about the context that help them catch the casual style. So, okay, we have to analyze the context for them, and which context or what type of context should be good for them to practice casual style, or for both teacher and student to apply casual style in the appropriate context. It is the last one, and this is the reference for this article, and the name of the author is Deborah. They published this work in 2003, and the titles, as I mentioned earlier, the using of casual style in EFL in ELT for young learners and socio-linguistic perspectives. And this is the name of the journal, and this is the page between the value. Okay, so this is the end of my presentation. So I would like to end the recording, and okay.